is Kara Mezek. I'm with the Wicomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch, and today we're going to be doing a craft as part of our Kids Craft program, and it's going to be called the Dandelion Wish. So for this craft, you're going to need to have some tempera paint. You can use however many colors that you like. You'll want to have plenty of Q-tips, and you'll want to have a paper plate or something disposable for you to put your tempera paint on, a marker, which can be any color of your choice, and you'll want to have some cardstock or some really thick craft paper. So to start off, you're going to take your marker and you're going to draw the stem of your dandelion, and I'm going to add a little bit of a wave to mine. And at the end of your dandelion, you're going to make a decent sized circle colored in, about the size of a dime. Okay, so the beginning should look like this. And then you're going to want to draw several lines close together, and you can do different lengths. Okay, so you should have plenty of lines on your dandelion. Alright, so now you're going to start by taking about 4 or 5 Q-tips. And once you have your paint ready, you'll want to make sure that you have colors that are close together. So I'm going to have 2 colors together on my handful of Q-tips. And you'll want to dab the extra paint off. And then we're going to start doing like a stamping motion all around our dandelion. And then I'm going to do my next set of colors with the same process, grabbing 4 or 5 Q-tips and blending my colors together. Right as you're going through the process, your dandelion should start to look like a cloud. I'm going to do my last set of color. Alright, and if you'd like, you can take your marker again and you can write a message in the blank space below. dandelion is complete.